Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you holiday nail art design step by step guide. Number 1, pretty presents. Dress up any design on your natural nails with a delicate how of some holiday piece. They will look so cute while holiday one of these Christmas cocktail. Next design is sparkling Santa. Put a Ferris spin on a classic French mani with these show stopping tips. For extra holiday spirit, turn on a few into a Santa hat. Get the look with Sergio colors garnet. Next we move crinkle tips. If you prefer sparkle on its own, opt for twinkling tips atop knot nails instead. DIY with Illa plus Milas on thin ice. Next design is earthy ombre. Match your mani to the Christmas tree with this early ombre style. Add emerald green, gold and festive decals to make it your own. Next design is silver blues. Everything about this is sparkling silver polish embellished with blue and turquoise flakes is giving winter in the best ways. Get the look with Stella Chroma snowed in. Let's move to another design, Jolly Joel. This metallic moss green with fine golden shimmer is giving the Christmas tree a run for the money. DIY with lights lacquer to the nines. Next design is Stitlet's nail, red, green and something in between. Make it purple for an unexpected twist. Try Essie polishes in Heart of the Jungle Adrian line brush. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe with your friends. Happy holiday.